Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will create a slimline card using two new stamp sets from Miss Ink called Mountainside and Little Angel. And I will also show you how you can extend a scene if you want to make it perfect for a slimline card. And I started out by stamping the Mountainside stamp twice on top of some Copic color friendly or Copic marker friendly, I should say, paper, and this is some Neenah 110 cardstock, and I really like to create scenes like this on a little bit of a heavier cardstock, just because I want it to have a nice finish in the end, because I will soak some of the parts here quite a lot with my Copic markers. So here I'm taking a marker that I had in my stash. I don't think it's perfect for Copic markers, but it has a tendency to bleed, but that was what I had in my stash, and I just extended the scene with some more heels. I know I'm no good at painting, so if I could do that little awkward hill there, or mountain or whatever it should look like, I think you can come up with something quite beautiful. And I just went in, colored, and if you want the color combinations that I'm using, I am showing them quickly in the beginning of all my scenes here when I'm coloring. So you'll always hit the pause button and go back if you want to reference those colors. I wanted some blue behind my mountains because I wanted this to look like a really chilly scene, since it's supposed to be Christmas soon for these little guys. And these cute stamps are from the Little Angel set. I stamped them out and I cut them out with my scanning cut, and then I went ahead and I colored them. And you can see here I'm using a die from Trinity Stamps to cut out my slimline scene, so it has some stitching to the edges. That is something I really like. If you don't have this die, or if you don't like the stitching, you can always cut it down. It is 8.5 by 3.5 inch, so it's covering card panel here that I created, and this is just my preference size of slimline. You can use whatever you like or whatever measurements that you think would fit for your projects. And when I have adhered that with some liquid glue, I will go ahead and arrange all my cute stamps here, or my cute creatures. And I used a combination of glue as well as some foam tape just to create some dimension between all my images, and also bring some life to my card here. So I played around with the placement, and when I was happy with it, I committed to it and adhered everything down. And I just love that little mouse with the apple in his hand, and I like that was quite red against all the other. It really made him pop a lot on this scene, I think, so I'm pleased with that. And I think this little angel is just beautiful. I will be back soon with another project with her because I think she's amazing. So here I'm just fiddling around, placing down all our small birds and making sure that I like how everything looks. So when I'm happy with that, I will cover everything in sparkle and shine, because what is an angel without shine? I don't know. I will not create an angel without shine. So I used a combination of a glitter pen, and after that I went in with some white gel pen, because this white gel pen is my absolutely favorite. I think it's a secure one, sorry, and but it doesn't like when I mix it up with glitter, so I'm always using the glitter first and then my white gel pen to bring everything some shine. And when I was done with that, I went in with some I think it's called Stardust Stickles. I will have it in a close-up here in a second in this video, and that is my favorite glitter. I think I'm using it for snows. I will use it for the wings of the angel, and as well as her, what is it called that she has in her hair, like the flower bouquet in her hair. I know it's not called that. I will remember it in a second after I'm doing this voiceover probably, but I love the thing she's having there. And I also used, for a sentiment, I just wanted something simple, so I used a die cut from Heffy Doodle, and this is just a Heffy cut called Christmas. And here you can see the stickles I was talking about earlier, and you can see how beautiful that is in this close-up. I will give you another one soon when I have done that hairband. And here I'm showing you what it's called, Stardust Stickles. I love this thing. I have used up nearly the entire bottle just for this season of my Christmas cards, so I need to go ahead and purchase another one. And that pretty much finished our card off. I used some sequence, and then I will call it done. If you like this, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!